What is this? Naughty Pine?
What is this? Naughty Pine!
Hi folks. Today is a special travel video because we're traveling to Ikea and I'm joined by a bee and also my special guest. What's your name?
Moesha.
Moesha. I'm joined by Moesha, the muskrat. And we've got a treat for you today.
Coastlines to the peaks, every story speaks, let it flow. Let it flow. Feel that rhythm, feel it deep, as he dives into the unknown. Adam's Group will make you move, you'll never feel alone. Adam's cool and he's hip, he'll take you on a trip, the paranormal Polynesian. Whether spooky or fun, or a tale he has spun, the paranormal Polynesian. Neon lights or abandoned sites, we'll find out.
Who here has been to Ikea? Do you love it? Look at those little owls. Oh, you look really good, like a flower. That's what you are, right?
Yeah.
Can I get a little bite to eat now? Do you mind? I'm feeling like I need a little something. Oh, and I need a dish scrubber. They're so good here. Get a little tray. You want a drink for a soda? What are these little glasses? They're different.
Pastry was almond paste?
Yes. Don't judge me. I don't know. Looks chocolate, and I'm desperate. It's for the channel, it's not for me. A harvest bowl. Buffalo chicken wrap. Yeah, put that in there. Cute. Oh, Swedish meatballs. Oh, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna get the balls. Hey, how are you? Good. How are you? Can I just get the Swedish meatballs plate, please?
The one on the screen is 8, but I can do 12, 8, 12, or 16.
8 is good. Yeah.
And it comes with mashed potatoes and peas. Is that okay?
Yes.
Perfect. Anything else for you guys today?
Do you want anything else? I think that's everything. Can we do mac and cheese instead of peas or no?
Of course. The mashed potatoes and mac and cheese.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yum. I don't know, but I love it. A buttery chocolate scone.
You look dry.
You look dry.
I am dry.
We're gonna try the meatballs, and I got it with mashed potatoes and the lingonberry. Gotta get all in one bite. Let's taste it. The texture, it's giving me nursing facility. It's giving me hospital. It's giving me life support. No, but it's good flavor. Wouldn't you agree?
I love it.
Yum. And then we got a side of mac and cheese. Let's try this. There's nutmeg in there. Yep. You like nutmeg in your mac and cheese?
No.
It's different. Very Swedish. Now, you either want the Ikea meatballs or you don't. You know what it's about. It's not a secret. I love it. I love the sauce. I just have to be in the mood. Now let's try this cake. This looks chocolatey and delicious. It better be good because I'm ruining my keto diet for this. What is happening over there? What does that sound? Okay, cheers. That's good. It's not too sweet. This top is almost like a, I don't know, it's like a melty, it's almost like a black tie mousse cake. I like it. It's good. Look at this kitchen. It's like it was made for a clown. Oh, speaking of, My OCD could never. It's a lot. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of red. It's a lot. It's assaulting me. This bedroom, I kind of like this chandelier. Cute. How much? 90 bucks. That's okay. Is this a mirror? Oh no. I'm like, I have no reflection. I'm a vampire. It's because it's a doorway, you dum-dum. Oh, I like this light. It's cute. What's a bottle vagin? It's quite a vagin. What? You get 4 vagins for 99 cents. What are our thoughts on big floral wallpaper? Any comments? Comment below, let me know. I do it. Tiny lamp! So today I was trying to remember what I needed at Ikea, and as we were driving on the freeway in the snow, I just screamed. What did I scream?
Tiny table!
Tiny table! So I'm here for a tiny table and a tiny lamp. Gen Z, eat your hearts out. Oh, I love this. I am looking for like a comforter. That would look pretty in my room.
That's just lovely. It feels super great.
This is the exact size mirror I need. $79.
Man.
It's a man mirror. What do we think of this? Valtorp for the end of the bed. Nice. This would be nice, like if you're going to see a therapist, but the therapist is also going to see you. This couch is nice. I love the color. This is kind of comfy.
Sorry, I was putting my fingers in front on purpose.
That's rude. I am a professional, and my guests and my clients and my viewers require professionalism.
When you sat down, I thought the couch was making the sound your bag was making, and I was like, oh, heavens no.
Cheap.
Oh boy. What do you think of this guy?
I don't like it. It reminds me of a poop trap in the sink. I'm out of here, you guys. Bye.
Oh my gosh. What is this?
This is for my New York City flat. This is where I hang all the photos of the people I stalk on the walls. And their addresses. And then their IDs as I murder them.
And whether, I was going to say whether or not they've been murdered.
Oh no, in my own little corner, in my own little chair. I can't get up. I think it's stuck to my hand. Is it stuck? Can you see it? Help. Okay, what do we think of this room, everyone? This looks like a room Barney would like. Complete with cat house. I do like it. Oh, I love a desk. Oh, gosh. Look at this sex dungeon over here. Ooh. Oh. It's my closet. Can you imagine? I'm just like, Yes, please. Oh, it's stuck.
What a pretty way to do this. Let me put a scarf underneath that.
Very demure, very mindful. Nothing says sex room like a kid's crib. Oh, gross. Kids ruining everything since 1987. Now we're gonna make our way downstairs to where all the goodies are. Here we go. I love a kitchen gadget. Oh, look at this little tiny scrubber. Oh, this is for like little details of scrubby little things. Oh, I've never met a Susan that wasn't lazy. Okay, I know I was a terrible videographer earlier and didn't show you the finale of us checking out. I don't know why you want to see that. But anyway, I just got a few things. I always love a frame at Ikea. I wanted to frame some photos of Janice, my friend who passed, and put them in the office. But the main thing I love to get at IKEA is the lighting, and I can't believe I didn't film it. Sorry, I got very distracted. But that, do you see that rug over there? It's a very old, very fancy rug, and I want you to be able to see it. So I got a spotlight, a picture light. I think I showed it to you earlier. Here's the clip-on. It was a clip-on light. It has to go on something to clip, so I put it on the curtain rod behind the front one. And it definitely lights the wall up. I don't like that it's not centered, but like when you put it together with everything else, it looks okay. So anywho, thanks again for coming with me to IKEA. I hope you had fun. It was very random. I'll see you guys soon, and we'll go on some real travel very soon, I promise. Okay, until next time, keep it paranormal.